So I'm going to start with a full piece, and this part is going to go towards the wall. I'm going to lay it in like this, where this is to the right. It's going to go just like this, but I'm not going to put it in place yet. What I'm going to do is hold it out here. Because of this heat, I'm going to put the entire row together first, and then I can slide it underneath. It's just going to be way easier doing it that way. And this is how you do it. Super, super simple. With these seams, you just get them nice and tight, nice and even on each end. And right here, you want to get this seam tight. You can see there's a lip. I like to use a regular hammer, but that's another thing you guys yell at me about. So I'm going to try using this one. And all you want to do is lightly tap this together until it's nice and tight and flush, just like this. Perfect. Next piece, just butt it tight here. And I can't stress enough how important this seam is. If you don't get this seam right, none of your floor is going to lock together properly. So just get it as tight as possible right here. Get it even right here, and then get it nice and tight and flush. And on this one, I'm going to use a rubber hammer because there's more than one way to do this. The instructions actually recommend a rubber hammer, so let's try that. Yeah, I don't like that. The seam is perfect, but I don't like the feeling because it's too bouncy. Next piece, line it up, and I'm going to use a regular hammer. Uh-oh. You can use whatever you want, just be careful. Looks good.